guys, Mossy5734 back with an unboxing of some beautiful limited edition babies, guys. And you know what? I got that on a whim. I didn't think it'd be that nice. I really kind of went after the red one, which I couldn't get, but the black one looked nice. But now that I've seen it in the flesh or in the plastic, it's kind of grown on me. It looks nice, that. Shockingly, guys. I just wasn't really a fan of white GT3 kind of cars, but that is not bad. Yo, why are you stuck in? Playing hard to get? Okay, the whole boxes come out, but yeah, I never noticed that. So with all the Italian cars, they seem to have this little inlay card. Oh, right, it tells you what it is as well. I never noticed that. Okay, and it's got the flag on one side and nothing on the other, but okay. Let's put that there, showpiece. Right. That is not bad, man. That is alright. And are the wheels different to the other four? No, the same. Right, but you can't use them, guys. Bit of a depressing fact. But it doesn't look bad. I wasn't expecting much from this. It was either between this or a red one, which was pretty bland, and I thought, oh, I'll get this one instead. But, you know what? That's probably a keeper, because some of these I won't probably keep, because, I don't know, are they all that? But that's not bad. That's not bad. And the thing with these little bad boys, guys, is, yo, their prices are shooting up. Now that they've pulled this stunt of doing limited edition cars, like on mass production, yeah, it's getting harder and harder to get them, guys. And once they come in, they go out. And they aren't bringing them out rarely. They're starting to pop them like rabbits. Them things are coming out left, right and centre, man. But yeah, pretty cool lineup at the moment, guys. I don't know what you think, but that's a bit of a mad lineup. That's probably the most funkiest decaled lineup I've had on there for a good while. Okay, check that bad boy out on the display stand with some other beauties that have never made it on the stand before, guys. Okay, let's move on. Okay, guys, so here we've got the GL 128 scale Mini Z Ferrari 488 GT body. This is the limited edition. This is in white, and it's made for the Kyosho Mini Z MR03, the atomic drift chassis as well. This has got a wheelbase of 98mm, and yeah, this has grown on me, guys. I actually just got this because I thought, you know what, I'm putting an order in, might as well just get another one. So, but yeah, as it's come, it's actually not too bad. It's actually not too bad. It's a decent looking shell, that is. My favourite was the red one they did, and that kind of slipped out of my my fingers. So that was a pretty nice one, that one. It was like a metallic red and had some, it had pretty similar to this, but had the Italian colours basically running on the top of the car, on the bonnet, on the back. And it also had numbers and decals on the roof and stuff. And it just looked pretty cool. I liked it. It was pretty similar to the Ferrari 458 in look, but obviously we didn't have decals, but I liked the way it looked and it's pretty cool. So yeah, so this is pretty cool, guys. And the black was nice. The black kind of had a mean, gnarly look to it. And it wasn't as caked as this one, but it's not bad. But the black one didn't have as many decals on it. Hardly any actually compared to this. This is a bit more similar to the red one. But the black one had like a stealth look to it. It just looked mean. It was in like a matte kind of black. You'll see that on the vids, on my previous vids, guys. So yeah, nice looking car, beast of a car, guys. You can't go wrong with the GT versions in any type of Mini Z body shell, guys. They just look phenomenal. And as I mentioned before, guys, the wheels look pretty cool, but they're unusable. So yeah, that kind of a bit of a bummer if you don't know that. They've started to put that on the listings now. When I first bought my Audi ones, you have no idea what I went through, guys, to try and pull them wheels off. They were not coming off at all. And it got to a point where I was going to actually wreck the wheel trying to get it off. So I reached out to the seller. He says, no, they're usable. I don't think even he knew, but now they seem to have it on the listing that the you know, the wheels are just for display purposes and they're not actually to be used. So would have been nice to have known that a while ago. But anyhow, pretty cool, guys. An amazing car. It does 0 to 62 in 3 seconds, and I believe 234 mph is the top speed of this car. It's doing not quarter mile in about 10.4 seconds, if I remember correctly, guys. A lot of the stats I've got from the other vid, so I'll just add them to this as well, guys. But yeah, not bad looking, nice looking. You know, sometimes some cars have too many decals and some don't have enough. But with the red one, they got it right. If that ever comes up, guys, I'm definitely going to get it. But this isn't bad either. It actually looks pretty decent. They should actually make a 110 scale version of this. I think it'll look pretty awesome as a 110 scale as well, guys. But yeah, now the downside is, guys, you can't really put lights into these, which is a bit of a shame, because they look pretty funky going on the track, doing like a, you know, like a Le Mans, or, you know, like a Bathurst or something like that, with all these decaled out funky looking GT cars. But no, they don't seem to have that option. I'll check this one. The Lamborghini didn't have it. I don't think this one's going to have it either. Let's have a wee gander. Let's have a quick look and check. So same thing as with the Mini Zs, pull the bodies out. Now this body feels a little bit more, whoa, there goes my laptop. Oh. Right. Okay, so yeah, now, when I first got Mini Zs, I'd look at the discolouring and think, yo, is that being used? Someone had to use that car, but I think that's sometimes the effect of when they paint them, so yeah. Okay, so again, no lights, which is a real shame, man. A real shame. So in the back, in the front, no lights. They do have this funky, probably one of the best things about gel racing is this mount kind of thing. That helps the body in impact. So yeah. How does this body feel? It feels okay, better than the Lamborghini one. Better than the Lamborghini. This feels a little bit more like a Mini Z, right? And again, this one's like a pearl kind of colour. It's not as brightly polished or glossy as some of the other bodies. I don't know if they've gone for a matte look. I know the gold one they've done is really nice and chromy, but the rest just seem to be a bit pearl or matte. Okay, but still pretty cool, pretty nice, and vexed about them wheels. And them wheels are not even all-wheel drive anyway, so no good to me. But yeah, not bad. Okay, let's move on.